Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Shein account. Now to do that, first thing is you open the Shein application. Once you're at the home page, you go to the me on the bottom right, tap that, and then you need to go and tap on sign in / register on the top left corner, tap that. And here you will have this option where you need to provide the mobile number or email address. You can type in your email address over here first, then you tap on continue. And once you're at this page where you need to provide the password for the account, you need to tap on forgot your password just below the text box. This is for the recovery of your account. So tap that, which will pop up this, and here you need to confirm your email address and then tap on submit. You check whether the email address you have provided is correct or not and then tap on submit. You can also do this via your phone number as well. Now a link to reset your password has been sent to WebToTech. That is the email address of yours. You need to go and check out your Gmail. Tap upon Gmail on your phone device and there's the Shein mail on the top. Tap upon that. Now what you need to do over here is you need to tap on that reset password option on the mail, tap that, and you will be able to provide a brand new password for your Shein account right over here. Now you type in the new password that you want to change it to. On the text box, type in the new password and you need to confirm the password by retyping the same password as above. Then tap on save. With this, your password has been changed and now you can log in into your Shein account with the new updated password. Now you can go back to the Shein application, go back, try to log in. On the password, you type in the new password that you have updated, tap on sign in, and with that you have been logged in into the account of yours very easily. So this is the way how you can easily recover your Shein account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.